Now, you might be wondering what happened to all that leftover Cub Scout popcorn from the pack meeting on September 15th. Well, I'll tell you, the Cantons took it home. And why do you think the Cantons took it home? To save it from going into the trash? To eat it themselves? Maybe the first one is true. But here's the real reason. As it turns out, chickens love popcorn. Most especially Cub Scout popcorn. Let's try to get most of that in the little chicken yard over here, okay? I think you should pour it over your head.
What? Pour it over my head?
Sure. Why not?
Are you sure?
Sure, why not?
I don't want to eat a handful. Why
Pour,
not?
pour it over your head. Come on. Are you the popcorn man or are you not the popcorn man? Good job. Gross.
Tastes like kettle corn.
Good job, popcorn man.
Yay. The popcorn in my ear. It's in my shirt.
Wave bye-bye.
Bye.